In a service case, remote support can save time and costs for our customers. The Bizerba Augmented Services app is an app which connects the Bizerba Expert directly to the customer technicians on site by an audio-visual link.
Hello, my name is Annalena from Bizerba Augmented Services. How can I help you?
With the Bizerba Augmented Services app, it's possible to work on pictures on whiteboards together using simple augmented reality elements like squares, arrows, and so on. By using the simple snapshot functionality, we can discuss more in detail about how to solve certain problems. Since we have introduced the 3D model, it's not longer necessary to use the live video stream to explain problems. We can use the so-called digital twin to explain directly how a certain module works and how we can do maintenance on this certain module. By using the digital twin, it's also possible to define which spare parts are necessary to be replaced. The app provides direct access to expert knowledge via an audio-visual link. And therefore it's possible to solve very efficiently service cases by using the app. Because the Bizerba Augmented Services app provides direct access to expert knowledge, it reduces downtime of the customer devices. If you have additional questions about our remote support services, and especially about Augmented Services app, don't hesitate to ask our service organization.